Good morning, everyone. Todd from Walnut Ridge. It is Video Friday. Just wanted to touch base. It's April 30th, end of the month. So May starts tomorrow, May 1st. So we will be rolling out our May service specials. We've got 3 of them. We are doing a special on an AC clean and going through everything, cleaning your coils, checking everything out, replacing your filters. Now that would be if we clean your filter, but if you need a filter replacement, that would be an additional charge. But if it doesn't need replaced, the AC clean and service is normally $225. We are running that special for $149 for the whole month of May. And we are getting booked up. It is pushing on peak season, and we are getting very busy. So if you need to get it in to get it maintenance before you go out on your trips for in the summer, or just pulling it out of storage, get online or call into our service receptionist to get an appointment booked, because like I said, that we are getting really busy over at service. The next special we are offering, and this is also for the month of May, is a safety check inspection. We're running that for $149. So that is a deal as well, because it's regular $225. So there's two, the AC special and the safety check, both $149. Also, we are running a special on tongue jack and installation of that tongue jack. That normal price on that is $273 installed. We are running that for $179.99, which is a really good deal. And we do have quite a big supply of the tongue jacks, as we stocked up on them for this May special. So get online, call our service receptionist. If you already have your advisor here at Walnut Ridge, go ahead and get a hold of them, which would be Jessica, Ross, Ashley, or Andrew. Either one of them, we get you set up with an appointment, get you in here so you can get out and enjoy your camper, and it's ready to go for you when you're ready to go on your first trip or your next trip. So hope you have a great day. Take care.